Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G23, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this Motorola. First of all, you need to locate Clock app. When you find it, click on it. Now select Allow in the pop-up and choose Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Finally, you can create your alarm by tapping on this plus icon and setting up an hour. When you're ready, save it by choosing OK at the bottom right corner. Now adjust your alarm however you wish to. At the top, you can add label. Save it by clicking on OK or discard it by tapping on Cancel. Then tap on days of the week that you wish to set up, in my case Wednesdays and Fridays. After that, click on this bell icon, select Dismiss in the pop-up and pick one of those sound options, YouTube Music or Sounds. If you wish to use YouTube Music, you need to log in to your account. If you want to use sounds though, click on them, tap on Add New under your sounds, and pick any song from your smartphone by clicking on it. As you can see, I don't have any, so I have to go back and pick one of those device sounds, like for example, neon. In order to do that, I need to click on it and go back. Now tap on this little icon next to vibrate to switch off or on vibration. Lastly, you can click on this one to add or remove your alarm from Google Assistant routine. As you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully added. You can always set it by tapping on this icon at the top right corner of the chosen one. If you wish to switch it off completely, tap on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. Lastly, to get rid of it, choose the Delete option at the bottom left corner. In order to adjust more alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Select Settings from the list and manage all of them under Alarms however you wish to, like snooze. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!